Hey guys, welcome back to Pajama Crafts, where I do crafts in my pajamas. Today I have some DIYs for you guys using some more items from burlapfabric.com. If you saw my Christmas in July video, then you already saw these items. I just didn't use all of them in that video. So this is a pillow cover that they sent me. It's made from canvas. I really love it. It's a thick, like super good quality material, and I'm just using some stencils that I got from Michaels recently. I got them with a 50% off coupon, so I think they were like $5, and they are really pretty stencils. So I have this fabric paint that I got from Michaels. I really love it. I've never used fabric paint before, and this is amazing. I've never painted on fabric at all, but I really love how this was. It did not come out stiff or anything because it is that fabric paint. It was really flexible and nice, and it said on the back of the little bottle, it told like how you finish it, like with ironing and washing it and everything. I haven't done that yet. I don't even own an iron at the moment. But it dried so nicely and it feels so soft and everything on there. I really like it. But I just went ahead and used a regular sponge brush for this, and it went on perfectly. And I did use tape on all of my stencils because I didn't want them moving around on me. And that's all I needed. I didn't need any adhesive or anything. I was so scared to paint on here. I've never, like I said, I've never painted on fabric before, and I was scared it was going to bleed and everything. But that was not the case at all. Nothing bled. It came out perfect, and I actually was able to use quite a bit of paint because the fabric was really absorbent, and I didn't even remember to put something between the layers of fabric, but it still didn't come out on the back because this is really good thick quality material. So I do definitely recommend checking out burlapfabric.com. I'll have their links down in the description below, and you can go check out. I'll have the link to each item that I used in this video, and then just also to the website. They have some really awesome stuff on there, and I am so thankful to them for sending me this. I just absolutely love the outcome. This is probably one of my favorite projects that I've done in a really long time. So you can see what I'm doing here with the tape. I just used regular painter's tape, and it worked out perfectly. Nothing bled. I'm not sure if there's fabric tape or not, but this worked just fine for me. And then with those stencils, as you can see, it looks a little funny because I just used the first stencil. This actually comes with 2 sets of stencils. You use the first part of the letter, and then you use the second part of the letter. Once the first one is dry, you put it over top, and then you get all of that shadow and everything that makes it look so country and so pretty. I absolutely, like I said, love the outcome of this pillow. I did go ahead and dry brush the rest of what was on my sponge onto the pillow. I just thought it made it look a little bit older, more vintage, more like it could have been a grain sack once upon a time. Not really, but you know, just to give that effect, and I think it came out gorgeous. So next we're making a little bag. I had this piece of canvas material, actually I have a lot of it still, that I had from a long time ago. I have no idea where I got it, but you can use any material that you have on hand. I just cut 2 squares. Again, I just eyeballed this, and then I'm hot gluing the 2 squares together on 3 sides, and I tried to level off the top, and I did not care about making a seam at the top. I wanted the raw edge, just wanted to look like it was something someone threw together. And then this ribbon that I'm using for the handles, this is also from burlapfabric.com. I think it's so pretty and vintage looking. And I kind of got this idea from one of my subscribers. I think it was Mary Guy. I'm sorry if it wasn't, but thank you for the idea to make a bag with that. That's all I did. It was super simple. And then I used these last pennant, what am I saying? For my last DIY, I have these pennants that burlapfabric.com sent me as well. I really love them. They have that nice backing to where your paint is not going to bleed through, and it's not going to be see-through. It's a really thick, nice burlap. And I just took my stencils from Walmart and a Sharpie to do the outline. I'm just writing thankful for fall. It's super simple but super pretty. And then I just used some black apple barrel paint. I cannot talk today. Some black matte apple barrel paint to fill in the letters. And then I really like how these have the ties. You can just tie them together instead of like having to glue or cut. And I really like that. You could cut off the extra string, but I liked the little bows that I made in between each letter, and I thought it came out really pretty. So Bree can't clap yet, but Zach is clapping on the couch, and she's trying so hard. She gets so excited when he's clapping, and I thought it was super cute, so I put it on here for you. And then we also went to the pool on Saturday just for a last fun thing before school started. So there's a picture of Bree and Koi there too. Super cute. But let me know which one of these DIYs was your favorite. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and share it with your friends and family if you think they'd like it too. Thanks for stopping by, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!